Hi. Those cookies smell amazing.
Thanks, Mia. We just baked them.
Can you teach me how to make cookies like those?
Sure thing. Did you know that baking and science are closely related? In fact, we can use the example of baking cookies to explain how the number of atoms doesn't change in a chemical reaction. When you make cookies, you start with ingredients such as flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. These ingredients have a certain mass. As you mix the ingredients together to make cookie dough, the total mass of the ingredients remains the same. Even though the ingredients are being combined and transformed, the total mass of the system is still the same.
Wow, that looks easy enough.
Yes, it's pretty simple. But the real magic happens when we put the cookies in the oven. As the cookies bake, they turn golden brown and become more solid. But the total mass of the system remains the same. The mass of the ingredients plus the mass of the cookies is equal to the total mass before baking. The only thing that's changed is the form of the matter.
So it's changing its shape?
Exactly. But even though the dough is changing, the number of atoms in it is staying the same. In science, this is called the law of conservation of matter. The law states that matter cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. In the case of baking cookies, this means that the total amount of matter in the system, that is, the ingredients, must remain the same throughout the entire process. And when you bake the cookies in the oven, the total amount of matter in the system once again remains the same. The only thing that's changed is the form of the matter. The dough has been transformed into solid, baked cookies. And there you have it. Delicious cookies, made possible by the law of conservation of matter.
Thanks so much for teaching me how to make cookies and about chemistry.
You're welcome, Mia. Anytime you want to learn more, just come on back to the bakery.